How to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Hi! For today, we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to create a shortcut on Snapchat. So first is you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Snapchat. Now as you can see here, if you will see an update button, you click on that and wait for it to be updated. And here, there's no update button, meaning my Snapchat is actually updated. Now, if your application is already updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So all you have to do is to go back to your home page and click on the Snapchat. You will then be directed here. Now, if you want to create a shortcut for Snapchat, for example, you want to send a Snapchat on many people at once, then let's say this one. And then here you will see send to. On the upper part, you will see shortcuts here. You click on shortcuts, and if you want to create a new shortcut, click on the new shortcut. Then let's say you want to choose an emoji here, set an emoji for that group of people or for that person. Let's say you want to put some robot here, and all you have to do is to click on the people that you want to be in that shortcut. Example, Grey Raven, this one, this, and then you click create shortcut. Now we already have the shortcut here. If we go back here, let's do that again. Let's say you want to send the shortcut, you click on send to, and here you will see the emojis of the shortcut. So all you have to do is to choose the shortcut or the emoji for the shortcut that you want to send a photo. Let's say you want to send it to the robot here, and here you could select all if you want to send it to everyone. But if you want to deselect a specific person, let's not join Grey Raven on that, you can also do that. And basically that is how you create a shortcut on Snapchat. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find it useful, and if it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day. Thank you.